Hi guys, remember this plant? I've got so many queries and appreciation for this plant, but it's not doing good since last 2 months and even getting worse. So today we will check what's going with this plant in here. So let's get started. So guys, it got root rot and the roots are completely destroyed. I think I've checked late, but yet I have some time. I can save this one, so I'll try my best. So let's see what will I do now to save this one. So guys, I have removed it and washed it. While washing, I accidentally broke this new shoot, and as you can see, there are no roots because roots are completely destroyed due to rotting. See, so now I'm gonna keep it in water and I'll wait for the roots to come out, and then I will plant it in soil again. See, I will save it at any cost because this plant is under rare plant category and it's really expensive. Guys, it's not due to overwatering of winter. I know what happened with it. So let's talk what went wrong. So guys, let's discuss why it got root rot. Because I really care for watering schedule for my plants and still it got root rotted. That's very bad. And I think I didn't, while repotting, when I bought it from nursery, while repotting, I didn't change that nursery soil, which was pure garden soil, without sand, without perlite, and I filled pot with the coco peat and sand around that garden soil. So coco peat and perlite are very good at holding moisture. So they, all the time they were holding moisture, and that garden soil in the middle remained soggy, that didn't dried out that well. So I think that leads to root rot, and all the roots are completely destroyed. But fingers crossed, and I'm really hoping it will recover because it's a rare plant category and I really love this plant's color, and I love all the plants, but some plants that are really expensive, that I bought this one really expensive and it's under rare plant category, so I really want to save this one. I hope I will save this one. So see, this is how moss pole work for the aerial roots. Can you see this? These two aerial roots. These two roots are deeply stuck in this moss pole, and I don't want to cut them, but I have to cut them because they are not coming out. I chopped off these extra dried roots. Now I will keep it in this glass bottle and I will try my best so that it will recover, and I will keep you updated for the growth. Alright, so guys, if you are also dealing with this kind of problem, then do try this what I did in this video, and let me know in the comment box what kind of rare plants and philodendrons you have in your collection. It's really great to have some rare plants, and I have 4 or 5 rare plants. I will show them in some other video. So guys, thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you haven't subscribed, then please.